Hi, today I'm going to make my bird cage. First of all, you pull out your tray. It depends what type of cage you've got. If you've just got a cage with a normal bottom, then just do whatever you need to do. But today I'm using a tray. And first of all, you get what type of product you're using. I use Kritter's Crumble because it's safe for my animals. Then you have to spread it all around. And then you grab your food and water. You put them in the cage. I often check the food and water nearly every single day because birds can get very messy. And then you get your bird, and I've got Connie here, my pet bird, which is currently gone behind my neck. And then you put your animal in the cage. And then you put the lock on. It depends what type of lock you've got. And then you're going to lock it up, if you possibly can. And then you put it in. And then, yeah, finished. With birds, you often need to clean out their cage probably once a week because they're often a bit messy. So what you do is, you take out the tray. And because it's a environmentally friendly product, you can just tip it in the garden and your plants will be fine. But with other products, it's a bit harder. You can put it in the bin if you want to, if you really want to get rid of it. But it's a bit easier to, throw it in the garden.